What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Steam on your Android phone. So all you have to do guys is simple go ahead and open up the Play Store, use a search at the bottom there, and you want to type in Steam. Now once you search for Steam, you will find Steam there in the options there, and all you have to do guys is just simple go ahead and click on install. Now this is gonna take little or no time to really install. The app is just over 43 megabytes, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds, I would say less than a minute, for it to actually install on your phone. So as you can see, mine is almost 50% already, and so it will be installed in a couple more seconds. Now once it is done, it is super easy to log into your Steam account, and I'm going to just quickly show you how to basically get that done once the app is installed. Now as you can see, it is done guys, and within a couple more seconds you should see it's done. Go ahead and open up Steam there guys, and as you can see, you just need to go ahead and enter your Steam name and your password. Once you enter that, you'll be able to quickly log into Steam. If you don't have an account, you can simply tap on I don't have an account. It's going to take you over to the official Steam website, and you can fill in all the details here and create an account. And once you have done, you can go back to the app there and simple log in with your credentials. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.